Hey everyone, check out this heavy-duty electric meat grinder with a 2300-watt motor. This sleek black mincer comes with 2 sharp blades and 3 different stainless steel grinding plates. You can easily make fresh sausages or traditional cub using the included tubes and attachment kits. The built-in handle makes it simple to move this sturdy machine around your home kitchen. It handles tough cuts of meat with ease to give you perfect results every single time. This versatile tool is perfect for anyone who loves preparing high-quality ground meat at home. Upgrade your cooking game today with this professional-grade mincer that simplifies your meal prep. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.